This is a pretty crappy way to store pans in my fridge. You know, what if I want that one? No good. Stacking is for pancakes, not pans. Let's see if we can fix this. So I need to start by cutting a couple panels out of 1/2-inch plywood. One of those panels will go in the bottom of the cabinet and one of them will go on the top. And then into those 2 panels, I'll cut a series of dados. Slip hardboard into those dados and that'll form 6 cubbies. I'll be able to slide the pans into those cubbies and card file them vertically instead of stacking them horizontally. So let's get started with cutting all that up. Ooh, 4 more times. I just made marks along the front of this board where I want the dados to be, and then I just line those marks up with the saw. I make one cut, and then I move the fence by 1/16 of an inch and make another, and that makes the dado the right width. I got this one made, didn't take very long, but I do need another. But I don't have enough cabinet grade plywood to do that. So, I'm gonna make it out of construction grade plywood. Don't worry, nobody's gonna see it, except for maybe my wife and anybody who watches this video. So yeah, lots of people are gonna see it. I'm just gonna take this piece of hardboard and cut it into more pieces. Whoops. It broke apart perfectly. So these are the pieces, 2 panels of 1/2-inch plywood and 5 panels of 3/16 hardboard. Woohoo. All right, let's put it together. Easy. The great thing about this design is it doesn't require any screws, it doesn't require any glue, it's just set in there and it works really good. Completely customizable and pretty cheap to make. So, hope you found this useful and thanks for watching.